Hey guys, it's Siobhan and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be checking out some of the street food that you can find in Chengdu. Street food is really affordable, really fast, and really delicious, especially in Chengdu. If you are hungry, you can just go to one of the street food stands or stalls and get a bite to eat. There are so many different types of street food on offer, and today I'm going to show you just a few options that I had to choose from. So guys, let's get to it. So we start off with a little tortilla sort of wrap, and we're going to add eggs into the tortilla. You can see the man busy mixing the egg around the tortilla. And this makes it even more filling. Like if you're really hungry, this meal is cheap, but it's also really filling. You can see him just mixing the egg mixture around the tortilla. He's continuing to just mix the egg round and round. Now he adds a little bit of spice. He's a seasoning. And he's gonna start to add the vegetables now. A bit of chives, and this is where he adds the ham sausages. You find these ham sausages in any supermarket. They are a good meal, but I've never seen them being used like this. Generally, I would buy these just to make hot dogs, but clearly there are more uses for ham viannas. I'm looking forward to seeing what he does with these viannas. So he cuts one vianna in half and puts them underneath the mixture. Opening the viannas. And underneath this goes. Now he's adding a little marinade to the other side of the tortilla. This meal is actually quite cheap and filling. Oh, he's adding a bit of chips and some vegetables. And the ham viannas go here. With some mayonnaise. They ask you for your sauce of choice, whether you want ketchup, mayonnaise, or other sauces. Today I felt like mayonnaise. And now I think he's going to wrap it up. So this is how he folds and wraps up the tortilla wrap. So this is the name of the store. And I'm also getting this bed full of meat and vegetables. Okay, so first we're gonna try out our wrap. I got home and we're gonna try out our wrap. Let's take a look at this. This thing is huge, like really ginormous. I ordered a lot of stuff, so this is gonna be a full meal. Okay, let's try this. This is sausage nachos wrap. You can do it. You can feel the egg flavor. A little spicy. And you can feel the eggs mixed up with the ham, with the ham sausage so well. Oh. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. It's really good. Really, really good. Mmm. Mmm. You can feel the egg inside the pastry. The vegetables, the nacho chips. Oh. It's a little spicy though, but it's amazing. Next we have some spicy chicken leg. This is the perfect treat, the perfect snack. The cost of this was 9 yuan per a leg, and we're gonna try it out. Spicy chicken leg. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice and flavorful. Okay, so last we're gonna try out oyster bread. This is a special kind of bread made with, I believe, a certain seafood. Wow. It has a filling of vegetable and meat, and it's stuck, like it's infused into the bread. Mmm. Wow. Meat, vegetables, onions infused into the bread. Amazing. Wow. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.